What up, everybody? I'm going to do a weekly breakdown of EURUSD. You can tell that I am on the weekly time frame. So over here, I did mark it up a little bit, but let's get started from the top. So over here, you're going to see basically a resistance area. We had price come up above this area, but as you can tell, the tendency of price coming back down multiple times is very high. So we have one touch point, two touch points right here, and then again we are coming back to another bearish move to the downside. So zooming in on the daily time frame, you can see that we have a little bit more data to look at. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to show you basically going back after price came up, price came back down, and then we're back over here. So the interesting thing about this is this could potentially be a bullish flag, but if you go down and zoom in a little bit further, you can tell that there's a lot of time for this bullish pendant to play out. So I am making a play within this channel, which is bearish. Okay, so now that I'm on the 4-hour time frame, right, you can see that this channel has hit a resistance not only once, twice, but 3 times. Okay, and then zooming in, you can see that this is a high, a lower high, and then the lower high at the beginning of this channel. So zooming in on this, you can see that there is a bearish flag, right? So we have a bearish engulfing right around here, okay? And that bearish engulfing, let me just zoom in for you really quick. This bearish engulfing is a really good indication because what it says is there's exhaustion at this channel, at this bearish trend, and then the sellers started to outweigh the buyers. So now that I just highlighted that, you can see that this zone that I drew up, you can see exhaustion over here around the 1.109 area. Again, right here, there's more exhaustion. Okay, and then let me just mark these up for you. And then again, right over here. Okay, so price never closed above this zone, and then again over here. So this is a good sign because not only do we have, let me zoom back out, 3 confirmations in the bearish channel, but if you zoom in on the 1-hour time frame, we also have price never going above this area. So this is a potentially good play for me because now we have a high risk to reward setup. So we saw that bearish engulfing setup, and what's happening right now, as you can see, is basically price is coming down, which is essentially the break, and then price is coming up for an initial retest. So what I could potentially see playing out for EURUSD is the retest and then a continuation to the downside, right? So if I pull out basically my short tool, oops, get rid of this, get rid of that as well. I'm already in this position, so I'm going to show you where I put in my position. We're looking around, I think I put in the short like around here, and then I have my take profit around the last low. Okay, and then my my stop loss is around here. So this is a fat play, but I'm not doing a short-term day trade. This is going to be more of a short swing, if that makes sense. So we're looking at almost a 2-to-1. I think my actual trigger is a 2-to-1 to be specific. But as you can tell, plenty of space for my stop loss. So I gave it a lot of breathing room, and I still have that 2-to-1 setup. So as you can tell, I'll pull this up a little bit. You can see that I'm in drawdown around 157 bucks, but my stop loss is around a $500 stop. So I could potentially make $1,000 on this play, and if I do, I'll definitely be happy about it. Mind you, this is a demo account. I am in a new $25,000 challenge for Funder Pro. Once I pass that, I'll get funded capital of 25,000. So just literally documenting my journey just to show you that, you know, if I do make it and I do get funded, great. If I don't, I'm still gonna document this journey for you. So in my opinion, Euro USD is going to be bearish within the next week, and hopefully it plays out, and hopefully I'm right. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.